Good morning, welcome to NTM Video. Today we're going to walk the High Street in Bridlington, Oldtown. Some of you will remember that Bridlington Oldtown High Street was used for scenes from the Dad's Army film in 2016. That building on the corner was used as the bank. This is a great area to visit if you're in Bridlington. There's some great architecture and some wonderful shops too. Some great places to visit, such as the Bale Museum and the Priory Church dating back to the 15th century. Many of the scenes from Dad's Army, which included Catherine Zeta-Jones, Bill Nighy, Toby Jones, were shot on these cobblestones here. They actually used hundreds of local extras too. The street was transformed into 1940s Britain. They also used the East Riding Theatre in Beverley for some of the scenes, and some of the outdoor scenes were filmed nearby at Danes Dyke. Sewerby Hall was also used as HQ headquarters, as Jones would say. I believe the building with the boarding over the windows there across the way was Jones the Butcher's. We're now about a mile north of Bridlington at Sewerby, and this place is beautiful in the summer. You've also got Sewerby Hall and the gardens, both worth a visit. There's a room in the hall itself dedicated to Amy Johnson, the aviator, who was born in Hull. She was the first woman to fly solo London to Australia. It's a bit chilly today, it's about 6 degrees, but look at these bungalows and the views they've got out over the North Sea. Here's Stanley waiting for me. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.